Puff Snacks extruding line can produce all kinds of extrusion products, such as snacks and breakfast cereal, etc. The raw materials can be maize, rice or wheat flour, etc. Core filling snack bars and pillow snacks can also be made by adding core filler and shaper. The filling can be chocolate, jam or cream, etc. From feeding materials, extruding and inflating, core filling, shaping, roasting, oil spraying to finished products are done automatically.